Did you know that the global cryptocurrency trading volume reached over $100 billion daily in 2023? Crazy, right? It just goes to show how fast the crypto world is growing and how many people are jumping on the crypto bandwagon. So, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, specifically, which ones are the best for 2024. Choosing the right exchange is super important because it can make or break your trading experience. With so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Let's figure it out. Alright, let's get real for a moment. One of the biggest challenges for anyone looking to trade crypto is picking the right exchange. First off, there's security. You want to make sure your funds are safe and that the exchange has a solid reputation. After all, no one wants their hard-earned cash disappearing overnight. Then we have fees. Some exchanges charge hefty trading fees, withdrawal fees, or even hidden charges that can eat into your profits. Nobody likes surprises when it comes to their money. And let's not forget usability. If an exchange is complicated to navigate, it can be frustrating for both newbies and seasoned traders alike. You want something that's easy to use and doesn't make you feel like you need a degree in rocket science just to buy a few coins. Now, let's explore some of the top cryptocurrency exchanges for 2024. First up, we've got Coinbase. It's one of the most popular exchanges out there, known for its user-friendly interface and strong security measures. However, the fees can be a bit steep, especially for smaller transactions. Next, we have Binance. This exchange is a powerhouse, offering a huge selection of cryptocurrencies and low trading fees. It's perfect for those who want to dive deep into the crypto market. But, the interface might feel overwhelming for newcomers. Then there's Kraken, which has a solid reputation for security and offers features like margin trading. It's great for advanced users, but the learning curve can be a bit steep for those just starting out. Finally, we can't forget about Gemini. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, it emphasizes security and regulatory compliance, which is a big plus. However, the selection of coins is more limited compared to others like Binance. So, after weighing all the options and features, my top pick for the best cryptocurrency exchange of 2024 is... Drumroll, please. Binance. Why? Well, it strikes an impressive balance between low fees, a wide variety of coins, and advanced trading features. Plus, the liquidity on Binance is through the roof, which means you can buy and sell with ease. Just remember, while it's an excellent platform, you should always prioritize security, enable two-factor authentication and keep your funds safe. To wrap things up, we've explored the challenges of selecting the right cryptocurrency exchange and highlighted some of the top options for 2024. Remember, it's crucial to make an informed choice based on security, fees, and usability. Each exchange has its strengths and weaknesses, so take your time to find the one that fits your needs. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite cryptocurrency exchange and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome crypto tips. Check out my other videos for even more insights into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Catch you next time.